Alright, I'll use the emeralds to go super and stop the time anomaly.
Don't sweat it, Shadow. I'll be the one to use the emeralds to go super. You guys just stay back and watch.
No, you just want to show off.
Guys, I can go super.
It's raining chili dogs! This is the best day ever! I think we need a bigger fridge.
Eggman, what did you do to my mom?
I didn't do anything.
Don't test me, Eggman. I still hold a lot of power in this world.
Well, it's getting pretty late. I think it's about time for you boys to leave. The sun sphincter is about to set. Ta-ta now, toodaloo. Take care. Doors that way.
I guess it's up to me. Now, to restore the timeline. How come you use the emeralds without us? You didn't even tell us you were going to use the emeralds. Why'd you do that?
I was going to go super.
Because you can't please everyone. And I'm going to sue you because...
Oh no!
Help me!
I finally found you, Tails! It's time to make the Sonic 4 movie! I'm not letting you make a Tails spin-off movie!
5 years later.
Are you ready? Come with me to Sonic. This is it. We need to talk to the boss. Right, let's do this.
Knuckles told me everything, and we know who's Shadow.
Shadow? What? No way! That bastard!
Comment and share for part 2.
Hey, I don't want this ugly blanket. I don't want this either. Hey, I don't want this ugly blanket. I don't want this either. Hey, Sonic, I'm taking these. Okay, Tails. Hey, Sonic, I'm taking these. Okay, Tails.
Stay away, you bandit! Too slow, Amy!
My purse!
Finders keepers! They fell for my fantasy.
He's the one who robbed me.
Sonic, you're under arrest for assaulting that girl. What? I didn't do anything! Hands behind your back, now!
I want this. Sonic! Knuckles took my mattress again. Hey, give it back. I want this. Sonic! Knuckles took my mattress again. Hey, give it back.
It's so nice to finally share a home together.
Ugh, gross.
Sonic!
How could you do this to me, Mom? You fall in love with my nemesis?
Look, I know we've had our differences, but...
Differences? You burned down the Green Hill Zone!
Are you feeling okay, Sonic's mom? I'm fine, dear. Have a seat. I've just finished baking cookies.
What?
Okay.
Whoa! What's that in the clouds?
That must be... Oh, shit.
like a carrot.
Damion grrr, onke, on grrr, onke, Damion dum, ta dum ta dum. Damion grrr, onke, on grrr, onke, Damion dum, ta dum ta dum.
No way!
Huh? Help me!
You're not getting it. It's not clocking you. It's not clocking you that I'm standing on business, is it? You're not getting it. It's not clocking you. It's not clocking you that I'm standing on business, is it?
I just wanted you to be proud of me too, Mom. I don't need your bike to prove who I am. He stole my bike. If you want me to win, like this video now. Subscribe so I can beat him. Comment revenge.
What? Hey, stop!
I warned you, but I admit it was funny. Now stay still. Let's clean all this off you.
This will become a story forever.
Next time we only play far away from machines. Hey kids, this is just pretend. If you're smart, you'll like and subscribe. And never do this at home. Deal? All right, let's go to the next one.
You! Help me, please! Help me, please!
Living life, every day, late at night, not okay. All I want, and I pray, all I need are some better days. Yeah, all I need are some better days, is all I want.
Let me go! I don't want to take a bath, Mom!
Sonic, you're filthy. Just hold still.
Well done, Sonic. You got what you deserved.
Here you go, my love. A nice hot chocolate with strawberry.
미워진 기숙이. Thank you.
Amy, I'll come rescue you right away.
Huh?
I need to become a police officer.
Huh?
Sonic, why did you choose wrong?
Please, give me another chance.
What's wrong with this fan? Whatever, I got a bunch of them. What's wrong with this fan? Whatever, I got a bunch of them.
Permen pistol. What? Permen pistol. What?
Oh, Mommy. Hi, Miss Sonic's mom. Oh, hey, boys. I'm so glad you finally come to visit us. Have a seat. I've just finished baking some cookies. Hi, Miss Sonic's mom.
6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Everybody dance hard to the end.
6, 7, 6, 7, 6, 7, 6, 7, 6, 7, 6, 7.
Knuckles, it's your turn. Hey, Tails, now. Yo, Sonic, it's your turn! Knuckles, it's your turn. Hey, Tails, now. Yo, Sonic, it's your turn! What?
No!
Not again, bro. Next time you have to pay for the donuts. Not again, bro. Next time you have to pay for the donuts.
I am not a criminal. I will be a good police officer.
Okay. Let's do it.
Oh no! Which one should I choose?
Hey, I think we have a ghost in the house.
Let me turn it off.
Hey, I think we have a ghost in the house.
Let me turn it off. Hey! You remind me so much of someone I care about.
Amy, I'm actually
Oh, you can speak? Good boy!
I'm surrounded by fucking idiots.
Help me!
Helicopter, helicopter. Helicopter, helicopter. I'm out of control. Mayday, mayday. Here, have this. I don't think so. Wait. No, this candy ride is so much fun. Here, have this. No. It's never, ever, so much fun.
You're gonna eat the bug? No, I'm gonna trap it, idiot.
Bruh.
Tails, are you sure this is gonna work? Yes, I know it's gonna work. Just nice and careful. What? What the fuck?
I love.
Hello.
No!
What? I want chocolate too, Mom! Now she'll have to give me a bath and I'll eat all the chocolates. Mom, I think I need...
I don't think so. No. I don't think so. No. It's never, ever gonna happen.
To do so.
I don't think so. What is even happening? I'm gonna jump so high! What is even happening? I'm gonna jump so high!
Living life, every day, late at night, not okay. All I want, and I pray, all I need are some better days.
Fuck me, I'm looking in the mirror, so foggy, but I've never seen clearer. I don't really think anyone can save me.
Yeah. Please tell me that I can't, that I won't, that I fail, that I'll never make it out, yeah. Please tell me all the bad, never good, fill my head full of every single doubt, yeah. Please say any negative thoughts, I pop off when I hear people say.
Whoa, is that a giant chili dog? Who made this?
It's my brand new invention!
Whoa! Knuckles, E! This looks amazing! Guys, leave a like to help me get out of here. I can help you. You need to get stronger. I will. Let's go. Come on, Sonic! Drop and give me 20! Knuckles, this is tough! You got this! 5 more! Almost there! Come on, Sonic! You got this! It's so heavy! Push! Don't give up! Can't hold it!
Девушка старая, она любит мифидрон, она любит мифидрон. А у меня во дворе ходит девушка старая, и я так ее люблю, я так ее люблю.
Don't get distracted, handsome. We're here to race, so keep your eyes on the road.
Come on, you're talking to a pro here. I know how to handle the curves like an expert.
Help me, please! Help me, please!
Hey, Tails, get in!
Okay! You got pranked, bro!
Hey, Tails, get in!
Okay! You got pranked, bro!
Hey, Tails! What's up with those idiots?
Like those roses in the air and the crooked stairs. Cause there's a party over here, so you might as well be here with the people.
What is this? No, I don't take shit. I got no
What is this?
Bombay, bombay, bombay!
Living life, every day, late at night, not okay. All I want, and I pray, all I need are some better days. Fuck me, I'm looking in the mirror, so foggy, but I've never seen clearer. I don't really think.
Nope.
Goodbye. Let's go.
The bath too. This water isn't even cold.
Come here, Shadow. I saw what you did. You want to run from bath time, Shadow? Then we're doing this turbo mode.
Mom, no! This is too much! Subscribe to the channel and leave a like before Mom decides to grab the hose for you too.
Sonic.
Oh my god! Oh my god!
I don't think so. No, 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 no. I don't think so. No, 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 no. It's never, ever, 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 ever gonna happen. I don't think so. No, 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 no. Hey, give me this pillow. Stop it, Tails. Hey, give me this pillow. Stop it, Tails.
Coca-Cola espuma. Coca-Cola espuma.
For the fakeness, if you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up.
I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no
Hey, give me this pillow. I want this one. Hey, give me this pillow. I want this one.
Yeah. Please tell me that I can't, that I won't, that I fail, that I'll never make it out, yeah. Please tell me all the bad, never good, fill my head full of every single doubt.
Help! Help!
Subscribe.
I wake up to a little bit of drool on my pillow, feel like it's gonna be a bad day. Yeah, I'm tired of shit, and the coffee ain't hit yet, damn, ain't that great. I don't wanna go to work, cause my boss is a jerk, and I'm not even that paid. I need a change.
Dad, there is a monster in the closet.
Susie, stop that crap.
Look what I got for you.
Is it mine? Mine? I knew I deserved it.
You worked really hard, sweetie.
I worked hard too. Mom, did you forget about me?
We'll talk about that later, Sonic.
Have you ever had the dreams that you'll do?
Is this what a stroke looks like?
Nope. I'm just trying to get laid.
Wait, where did it go? Tails! I need a replacement and make it fast. Thank you. Wait, where did it go? Tails! I need a replacement and make it fast. Thank you.
Bye bye.
Huh? Huh? Huh?
Huh? Huh? Huh?
Tralalero, tralalala, bombardiro, crocodilo, simpanzini, bananini, simpanzini, tung 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 sahur.
Time for a slap battle. When I say go, you chaos slap. Ow! Dude, I didn't explain the we haven't started yet. Stop it! You're bad at this game. Spinash the like button to help me defeat Shadow. Great! Hope you have health insurance, Shadow.
You're paying for my medical bills!
Help me! Like! Subscribe!
Shadow, my dad said I am not lost in this machine. Then get away from there now, Sonic! But what if I go in just a little? Wait, this was not the plan! Want a ride? Oh, wait, that's not fair. It fits you perfectly!
I can show you the world.
Oh, Sonic! That's so romantic!
A few moments later.
Labyrinth zone? Really?
Yep. Good luck finding the exit, bitch.
Y'all know what this means.
There's a bug in there.
I got a good idea. Ta-da!
Thank you.
Wow!
Thank
What? Hey!
Yes! See? I told you. Sonic's missing quills and Tails just looks contagious.
Again? Fucking really?
Want to hear about my depression?
At least you're being noticed.
Living life, every day, late at night, not okay. All I want, and I pray, all I need are some better days. Fuck me, I'm looking in the mirror.
inside! What? What do you mean in the machine?
I told you that backyard would cause trouble.
Hang on, kid! I'm about to turn this off!
Hurry, Sonic, it's getting louder! Ha-ha! I turned a cement stain!
You could have been really hurt!
I don't want to go to prison.
Oh no!
Nope.
Come on, let's get going.
Oh yeah.
Too easy.
Yeah!